What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Carter, man. I'm bringing y'all back with another video, man. I know it's been a minute, bro. It's been about like a month, bro. But look, man, we back with it, man. For today's video, bro, we about to be doing what we do all day. As you can see, man, it's raining. So, yeah, we about to get this shit going, man. Let me show y'all the whippy ski. Hold on, damn, y'all, I'm doing this new tripod thing, bro. This shit. Wait, all right, bet. Look, this the whip, y'all. Start that bitch up. I listen to the cold start today, man. I'm about to get that shit going today. I be driving the little fast shits. The fast shits. Ooh. But today, oh my gosh, bro. This, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to turn this tripod off, bro. This junk stupid, bro. Bro. Alright. So yeah, y'all. We about to get this shit going today, man. We about to go to Dearborn. I already know how Dearborn get. We about to get this shit going. About to drive this skitty scat, man. This bitch low-key look sweet though. Y'all about to see everything, man. So yeah, we about to get to it. Hold on, this fool. Oh, this the car we looking at right here, man. Yeah, this bitch look clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this does look clean for sure. Out the there, what's the name? Is you selling it through a dealership? Huh? You selling it through a dealership? Yeah. Alright, bet. I'm about to read this, John.
Oh shit.
I forgot your shit lowered. You never drove a car like that?
I dog it, bro.
I got traction on though. Downshift.
All right, downshift. Downshift. Up. Up. Go up. All right, now go Dog it. Wait, downshift it. Downshift right now? Yeah, downshift. Okay. Dog it. You're doing Where? Go, where?
Ah, damn, he missed it. Remember, shift down to go up.
Shift down to go up?
Yeah.
Hey, so,
You gotta.